Hi, engineers. Today we continue soft skills for engineers. Module 13 Part 6. In this module we will learn about the words we use. Clothing, colors, patterns, sizes. Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. In this video we shall learn about clothing colors, patterns, and sizes. By the end of this video you will be able to talk about common items of clothing, describe what someone is wearing, describe colors and patterns, refer to close and distant objects using this, that, these, and those, write about your clothes. We shall see about few words which can be used as nouns in a sentence. Coat. It is a long piece of clothing that keeps you warm. Wear a coat, it's cold outside. Color. Red, yellow, and blue are colors. What color should we paint the room? Dress. It is a piece of clothing for women that covers the top of the body and part of the legs. The woman is wearing a beautiful red dress. Extra large. It is of the biggest size of clothing. Tom likes big t-shirts, get him an extra large. Extra small. It is of the smallest size of clothing. My niece is very short, she wears an extra small. Hat. It is a piece of clothing worn on the head. Wear a hat to keep your ears warm. Jacket. It is a piece of clothing for the top of the body that keeps you warm. I got a new jacket for winter. A pair of jeans. Denim pants. Jeans are very popular with teenagers. A pair of pants. Clothing that covers each leg separately. Mike's pants are short. Pattern. Colors and lines in a regular shape for decoration. My favorite pattern is plaid. Scarf. A piece of clothing worn around the neck. A scarf can keep you warm. Shirt. A piece of clothing worn on the top half of the body. Does this shirt match these pants? Size. The measurement of how big or small something is. Is that shirt your size? A pair of shoes. Clothing worn on the feet, usually over socks. Those shoes are not good for the rain. Skirt. A piece of women's clothing with no legs worn on the bottom half of the body. Women wear pants or skirts. Small. It is a little size of clothing. This hat 1T fit, it's a small. Socks. It is a clothing worn on the feet inside shoes. Wear warm socks in winter to keep your feet warm. Suit. It is a matching set of clothes that includes a jacket and a skirt or pants, often worn for business. Do you wear a suit to work? Sweater. It is a warm knitted piece of clothing worn on the top half of the body. I wear sweaters in winter. Tie. It is a piece of clothing tied around the neck for decoration, usually worn with suits by men. I bought my father a tie for his birthday. T-shirt. It is an informal shirt with short sleeves and no collar. T-shirts are very casual. Now we shall see some examples of words which can be used as verbs. Fit. It is to be the right size. This dress doesn't fit, it's too big. Get dressed. To put clothing on. It takes me 20 minutes to get dressed in the morning. Match. To have a color or style that looks good with something else. Your orange pants do not match your purple shirt. Put on. Is to place clothes on your body. Put on a jacket, it's cold outside. Try on. Is to put clothing on your body to see if it fits or looks good. Try on that shirt before you buy it. Wear. It is to have clothing or jewelry on you. Mike wears that red jacket every day. Expressions. She is wearing a hat. Wearing is used to tell what clothing someone has on. He is wearing a warm sweater today. Here are few examples of words used as adjectives. Black. The color of the sky at night. The night sky is black. Blue. The color of the sky during the day. The daytime sky is blue. Brown. The color of coffee. Mud is brown. Gray. A color made from black and white. Rainy skies are gray. Green. The color of grass. Lettuce is green. Large. Big in size, number, or amount. She works for a large company. Medium. Middle in size, number, or amount. The medium shirt fits better than the large shirt. Orange. A color made from red and yellow. Pumpkins are orange. Pink. A light red color. The flower is pink. Plaid. A pattern with vertical and horizontal lines. My shirt is plaid. Purple. A color made from blue and red. Plums are purple. Red. The color of blood. Roses are often red. Small. Not large in size, number, or amount. Maria has a small dog. Solid. Having only one color. I'm wearing a solid blue dress. Striped. Having lines of different colors. The little boy looks cute in his striped t-shirt. White. The color of snow. Clouds are white. Yellow. The color of the sun. Lemons are yellow. This. That. These. And those are used to talk about nouns and show if they are near or far away from you. We use this for something which is thing near you. Use that for one thing far from you. Use these for more than one thing near you. Use those for more than one thing far from you. This, the, these, and those can be used before nouns. For example, this sweater is large. These socks are gray. That shirt is red. Those clothes are pink. This, the, these, and those can be used as pronouns to take the place of nouns. For example, this is small. These are orange. That is white. Those are purple. Thank you for watching. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos.